Hello everyone, this is a class on electric circuit, and in this class we'll continue the discussion on nodal analysis. Consider the circuit, determine V1 and V2. In this figure we can see that a voltage source exists between the two nodes V1 and V2. So it is not possible to write a nodal equation because Ohm's law is not applicable for voltage source. So we have to follow the supernode procedure. So we'll write the supernode equation. Supernode equation. For that, first we'll mark the direction of the current. This is the incoming current to the node, and this is the outgoing current. Again here an incoming current, and there is an outgoing current. Okay, now we'll write the sign conventions. That is, the incoming current is taken as negative. Incoming current is taken as negative, and the outgoing current is taken as positive. Okay, now we'll write the supernode equation. That is the incoming current. This 1 ampere and this 1 ampere are the incoming current. Therefore, minus 1, minus 1. Now there are two outgoing current, V1 by 1 ohm, V2 by 1 ohm. So plus V1 by 1 plus V2 by 1. This is equal to 0. From this we get V1 plus V2 equal to 2. This is the first equation. Now we will write KVL in the supernode. Inside the supernode. KVL inside supernode. Okay. So here we get V1 minus V2 equal to 1. V1 minus V2 is equal to 1. This is the second equation. Solving these two equations, now we'll add these two equations. We get 2V1 is equal to 3, or V1 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. Now what is V2? From this equation we get V2 is equal to V1 minus 1. That is, V1 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1. That is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Therefore, V1 is equal to 3 by 2 and V2 is equal to 1 by 2. This is the final answer.